Power! Do not touch the glass bulb of light bulbs. Some light bulbs are hot enough to hurt you. The moisture on your fingers will make the light bulb break sooner. Yes, even if the light bulb's turned off and cold, don't touch it, because the sweat on your fingers, the moisturizer that your skin naturally makes, will mean that the light bulb won't last as long. Look at some turned off light bulbs and read the information. Information is how to say information. The light bulb that uses the most power says, well, in my house it's a 100-watt light bulb. Some people have got 60s and 40s. And of course, many of them are LEDs, which is much too small to read. The light bulb that uses the least electrical power says, oh, in my house it's a 3-watt bulb. That's an energy saving bulb. Electrical. The unit of power is watts. W. Watts are named after the English inventor James Watt. A little bit of editing. Always good. Okay. Some light bulbs use a lot of electrical power and then waste most of it as heat. They are called halogen light bulbs. Oh yes, filament light bulbs with a thin electrical wire, they waste heat, yes, but halogen light bulbs, new invention, last 12 years, they waste a lot more electrical energy. They're very, very hot. Some halogen light bulbs have iodine inside. Iodine. Yes, iodine is one of the halogen elements. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine are the halogen elements. Some halogen light bulbs have bromine inside. Bromine. Iodine and bromine are in group 7 of the periodic table. Periodic. Yeah, periodic table of elements. Group 7 of the periodic table are called the halogens. Halogen light bulbs are the brightest and the hottest. Yes, interior designers like them because they've got such a bright light, but they're very wasteful. Power, and so they waste your energy. And they waste your money. Power is how much energy is used every second. Energy. Put books on your bathroom scales to find out which one has a mass of 1 kilogram. Kilogram. On Earth, a mass of 1 kilogram has a weight of 9.81 newtons. Measure how high you can lift. 9.8. It's 9.81 in England and some parts of the USA, but 9.8 everywhere on Earth. Two significant figures, rounding. Measure how high you can lift the 1 kilogram mass in 1 second. Your power is weight in newtons times how many meters you lifted the book up in 1 second. Find out your maximum lifting power. Maximum lifting power is, write down below in comments how much power you have. Look at the electrical machines in your home. Machines. Guess how much power they use. Then get an adult to read the information plate. Yes, because sometimes it's on the bottom of a kettle. It might be totally impossible to get to the information plate. It might be behind the fridge near where the wall is, so you can't actually read it. Petrol, guess how many watts. It says how many watts. It might even say like kilowatts, which is 1,000 watts. Right, laptop. Guess it, then write it in down. Put those all in comments. I'll check them out. Machines that get hot use the most power and waste the most electricity. Power equals energy divided by time. This equation is also known as watts equals joules of energy divided by time in seconds. AKA means also known as. AKA tells you another way of saying the same thing. Measure your power by getting your mass on the scales, then running up 2 flights of stairs. Measure the distance up each stair and times by the numbers of stairs. Results. Mass in kilograms. Your mass. It might be like about 40, 50 kilograms. Maybe 60, 70, 80 kilograms. Depends on how big you are. Time to run up 2 flights of stairs. 2 flights of stairs. Whew. Takes some people 5 seconds. Takes some people 10 seconds. Distance up in meters. Yes. Calculate that by how many stairs there are. Weight equals mass in kilograms times 9.8 on Earth. Now, lots of books use 10, and exams often use 10 rather than 9.8. They round it. Energy used equals mass divided by distance moved up, not along. How many joules did you make of your energy? Cool. Group 7 of the periodic table has the elements. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine. Power is how much energy you use divided by the time. Watts is joules divided by seconds. Distance times force in newtons equals the potential energy in joules. Newtons, joules. Cool! Did you see the one mistake that I made on purpose? Write it down in comments. Who's going to be first? Who's going to be second? Where are you going to be? Press my picture to get more of my videos. Press like. Press subscribe. Bye!